Today we're doing a complete full body workout you can do right at home. But before starting any workout, always warm up. Just 1 to 2 minutes of spot running or jumping jacks. First exercise, for legs, forward lunges. Do 20 to 25 reps, add a backpack for extra resistance. Next, for chest pause push-ups. Lower slowly, pause for 1 second, then push back up. Do diamond push-ups to target the triceps. For biceps, grab a bottle or backpack, lift up, pause at the top, and lower slowly. For back, perform bodyweight rows. Pull your chest up and control the movement. Now train the core with bicycle crunches, 20 to 25 reps. Finally, shoulders. Pike push-ups and lateral raises will build strong, wider shoulders. Train with higher reps around 20 to 25. Do this full body workout, rest 1 day, then repeat. Subscribe for more.